In Google Jamboard, you can work around with multiple frames as well. So in order to do that, you can go around and access the add and remove frame option over here on the top. You can see that the frame bar says 1 by 1 because there's only one frame over here, and then you're seeing the first frame itself. So if I were to go around and draw something, this is there on the first frame. And if I were to go around onto the top right here, click on the right arrow right here, another frame is created, and now it says 2 by 2 frame. That means you're accessing the second frame out there. So if I were to draw right here, then I'm drawing this out in the second frame. If I were to click right here, I can create a frame, and this is the third frame as you can see. Just go around and this is the fourth frame as you can see right here. So you can go around and access out the previous frames as well by clicking on previous frames just like this as you can see. So you can go around and select that out as well. So once you go around, you can see that this is what you have. And if you want to add or remove the frame with control, you can click over here. And then this is what you see. So let's say you want to add in a frame in between two of these frames. Then you can click on add frame and a frame is here. You can click on it to access and there you go. You want to remove out a frame, you can click over here just like this and then you can delete that out. You want to duplicate out a frame, then you can click over here and duplicate that out as well. You can go around and then click and drag the frame out according to how you like so that you can reorder the frames out as well. And that is how you can add, remove and manage frames inside of Google Jamboard. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.